I've been exploring the Tradovate app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Tradovate app. Tradovate is a modern trading app built specifically for active futures traders who want speed, flexibility, and advanced tools without extra platform fees. With Tradovate, you get access to a proprietary, cloud-based platform that works seamlessly across desktop, web, and mobile devices, letting you manage trades and custom charts from anywhere. This cross-device integration is a standout. Charts and dashboards you create on your computer are instantly available on your phone or tablet, making it easy to stay connected to the markets on the go. A key feature is the Depth of Market module, which gives you a real-time look at price action and order book data, helping you analyze and execute trades with precision. Tradovate also offers cloud-based order management, so your orders are held securely at the exchange or on their servers, not just your device, meaning your trades are protected even if your internet drops or your computer crashes. For those new to futures or wanting to test strategies, Tradovate provides a 2-week free demo account and unlimited paper trading, letting you practice risk-free before committing real money. The app also features a community tab where you can connect with other traders, share strategies, and discuss market ideas, adding a social layer to the trading experience. Tradovate's tiered pricing structure is flexible, with options for pay-per-trade or flat-rate monthly plans, so you can choose what fits your trading style and volume. There are no hidden fees for using the platform itself, and you get access to over 40 futures trading tools, including technical charting, market replays, and advanced trade management features. While the platform is packed with features, it's best suited for traders comfortable with futures markets, as the interface and tools can feel overwhelming to beginners. Security is robust, with 2-factor authentication and real-time alerts to keep your account safe. Overall, Tradovate is a strong choice for active futures traders looking for a feature-rich, cloud-based platform with competitive pricing and a community-driven approach. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.